Hello and welcome. My name is Dinoj, and today we are going to talk about a very special topic, and that is how to create your very own computer vision system. We're going to be creating our computer vision system with Python with the help of OpenCV, NumPy, and some other libraries in the Jupyter Notebook. Do you know a company called Tesla? They have created their very own self-driving car. This car has the ability to detect the upcoming vehicles, the road, signs, people, and make its own way using the preparation. This is an advanced topic, but hey, don't worry, we'll be covering from the very basics and fundamentals of OpenCV, NumPy, and other libraries to create an advanced topic of creating our very own computer vision system. I'm super excited. I hope you're excited too. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and we'll be seeing you in the video very soon.